Welcome to Me Wings. English, other ways to say, can't wait. I'm so excited. Looking forward to it. I am buzzing. Super hyped for this. I am stoked. Totally ready for it. I am counting down the days. I am pumped. I am all in. Bring it on. Other ways to say, can you repeat that? Could you say that again? I didn't catch that. Can you repeat? Come again? Pardon me? Sorry, what was that? Can you run that by me one more time? Mind repeating that? Sorry, I missed that. Say that once more, please. Do you mind saying that again? Thanks for watching.